10 were healed, only one came back. Tonight I come back to
Florida, thank you.
A 12-year-old boy with a little dream in his heart looked toward tomorrow, not knowing where the road would go. From Lake Haiti
to Guadeloupe,
then Paris, France, across the ocean to America. Hey.
thank you. When Florida gives you hope, thank you.
When mother says you belong,
Thank you.
Florida.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
Miami, Orlando, Tampa Bay, Jacksonville, Fort Lauderdale, West Palm Beach, from the Keys to the Panhandle, different stories, one Florida family. To the parents and teachers, professors and mentors who helped someone find their way.
Thank you.
For every open heart in Florida,
And welcome someone.
from another land, from Haiti, from Cuba, from Jamaica, from the Caribbean, from around the world.
Thank you.
And in 1986 a door opened, a chance for millions of immigrants to leave the shadows and build a future. President Ronald Reagan, thank you. Floor sunshine, floor blue sky, ocean breeze, palm trees dancing,
Haitian drums,
African guitar sound,
sweet Konpa beat.
different languages, different journeys. Every teacher in Florida,
Thank you.
every neighbor,
Thank you.
every hand that opened the door.
Thank you.
Miami,
Thank you.
Orlando,
Thank you.
Tampa,
Thank you.
Jacksonville.
Thank you. Thank you.
Someone opened the door for me. Now I dream of opening one more. Ooh. Not for me,
Not for one nation.
for all humanity. From Florida Space Coast